Great work building up your Python skills. It's time to apply all of the topics we've covered so far to your very first project, a Python chatbot. Chatbots are designed to interact with users by holding a conversation. They're one of the most common applications of natural language processing, which is my personal favorite of all the computer science fields because there are so many cool things that you can build with it. The natural language processing field, or NLP, combines computer science, linguistics, and often artificial intelligence. The goal of programs that use NLP is usually to read, generate, and understand human language. Programs like translation apps, virtual assistants, search engines, and spam email filters are all built on NLP, and you can build any of these in Python. Chatbots fall into two main categories: self-learning and rule-based. Assistants like Alexa or Siri are self-learning because they can update their behavior and generate new sentences as more users speak to them in different ways. Our chatbot will be rule-based, with pre-programmed responses to text that you'll input in the console. It's important to remember for either category that as we create software to imitate human language, we often build societal trends or our own personal biases into our program's behavior. So now that we know what we're going to build, let's take a quick look at how to successfully navigate the chatbot project. This will be very similar to how you've completed the other exercises in this course. We'll start by defining the chatbot program components and choosing a theme within the project requirements page after this video. Then you get to jump into the starter code. Each step outlined in the code will guide you through creating one piece of the program. When you're done, don't forget to show off your finished work or even a work-in-progress chatbot, and explore other students' programs as well using the links on the project share page. One last note, it's a good idea when starting any project to think about the resources available if you run into any roadblocks along the way. So let's list our tools for success. First, each step uses Python skills that we've already covered in the videos you've completed, so you can always jump back to any lesson to review. Second, the chatbot project walkthrough shows my own version of the project. So if you need guidance on any individual step, you can jump to that portion of the walkthrough video. And finally, you can always see the questions asked by other students and share your own questions in the course Discord. We're excited to see what you build.